Holmes, America's premier brand of humidifiers, introduces the innovative one-step fill and clean humidifier. With just one step: fill, use, or clean. Typical humidifiers are a pain to fill and clean. With so many parts to remove and clean by hand, they're too complicated. And most humidifier tanks are not dishwasher safe. The Holmes one-step fill and clean humidifier eliminates all that. The one-step's tank is dishwasher safe, so most contaminants and bacteria can be neutralized. The tank can easily be filled in the sink or by pitcher. The one-step features a 24-hour runtime, so you'll need to fill it less often. Finally, a humidifier so easy it's guaranteed to make you smile. The Holmes one-step fill and clean humidifier. The easy humidifier to fill and clean.